Most of the millionaires or even billionaires are first generation. They are self-made. They started with nothing. They earned every penny applying their talent and ability to the opportunity that they either discovered or created. The remarkable thing about them is that they are largely unremarkable. They are invariably honest, hardworking men and women who have taken risks, developed expertise in the chosen field, and refused to quit when the going got tough, as it always does. Hello everyone and welcome to Avid-Wisdom. And this is the summary of the book called Getting Rich Your Own Way by one of my favorite author, Brian Tracy. He is one of the top professional business speaker in the world. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. And hit the like button if you like the video. If you are an aspiring entrepreneur or a working professional or anyone who wants to get financial freedom, this book is for you. In this book, the author Brian Tracy explains all the concepts and methods that you will ever need to know for getting rich your own way. The author says that the primary reason for underachievement and failure is that the great majority of the people don't decide to be successful. They never make a firm commitment that they are going to become wealthy. They mean to, and they intend to, and they hope to, and they are going to someday. They wish and hope and pray that they will make a lot of money, but never decide, I am going to do it. The decision is an essential first step to become financially independent. Many people begin work, start a career, and it never occurred to them that they may be going to the same job for 20-25 years. It doesn't occur to them that they should invest any amount of time and money to learn how to do their job very well. You should be prepared to make any sacrifice to excel at what you do. This enables you to earn the very most that is possible in this field. If it takes years of hard work to get to the top with a long-term perspective, you will realize that the time is going to pass anyway. The key is for you to do your work better and more efficient than others, and then hold on to the profit and access cash that you earn as a result. The logical question that comes up in your mind is, what do wealthy people do or have that enables them to accomplish so much more than the average? The author says that people become rich as a result of developing what he called as leverage. Here are some of the examples of leverage that you can develop and use to achieve financial independence. Specialized knowledge. Specialized knowledge as doctors, lawyers, accountant, expert, salesperson, or an excellent craftsman. All these people have practical knowledge that is of value to others. The superior knowledge enables them to get better results faster. As a result, people prefer to use their services and are willing to pay them more. Specialize in those areas that are of greatest importance and value to your company or to your customers. Apply 80-20 rule, which says that 80% of your results come up from 20% of your activities. Focus on 20% of your activities in your work that you can contribute the most to yourself or to other people. Always strive to access expectations of your customers, your boss, the people you serve. Make it a habit to always do more than you are paid for and do it better. If you commit yourself to do more than you are paid for, you will always end up being paid more than you are getting today. Money is power. You become a person capable of becoming wealthy by disciplining yourself to save money that is necessary for you to achieve wealth. Save regularly. Begin a systematic saving plan, putting away at least 10% of your gross income each month. Pay off your debts, starting with all those carrying highest interest rates, such as credit card, financial companies. Resolve to build up a cash reserve so that you are ready when the opportunity arises. Most people stay broke all their lives because even if a wonderful money-making idea comes their way, they have no money to invest. Knowing the right people and being known by them can save your years of hard work. The quality and the quantity of your contacts and your relationship with them will have more to do with your success than perhaps any other factor. Knowing one person at the right time and place can change your life. Make a list of best 25 people locally or nationally you feel it would be most useful for you to get to know. Develop a strategy to meet each of them over the next 12 months. Then make a list of 25 more. Network at the opportunity. Join a business trade association. Attend meeting. Get involved. Volunteer for service on a key committee. This action alone can cut years of career path of many people. Creativity is a form of leverage. Remember, one new idea is all you need to start a fortune. Everyone has the ability to come up with creative ideas and solutions if they look for them. All great fortunes begin with an idea. Another form of leverage you can develop on a quest of riches is the correct choice of occupation. Choosing the right job is the perhaps most important form of leverage. The common denominator of successful men and women, aside from self-discipline, is that they do what they love to do. Once you have found the right job that is perfectly suited for unique combination of talent, interest and ability and temperament, then you are on the path of getting rich your own way. Let me conclude this video by saying it turns out that there are two common denominators for the people at the top of their field. First, every one of them started at the bottom. At one time, they know nothing about their field. Everything they ever accomplished, they had to learn and do for themselves. Second, at an early stage in their career, they made the decision to be the best at what they do. They started early, worked hard, stayed late. They decided themselves to relentless, ongoing, never-ending personal and professional development. They resolved to pay the price, whatever it was, to achieve great success in their chosen field. In each of these different ways of becoming millionaires, there are three keys to success. First, set a goal to be paid the very most possible in a field. Second, decide to become absolutely excellent at what you do through continuous personal and professional improvement. Third, resolve to save and invest 10 to 20% of your income throughout your career. By doing these three things, your financial future will be guaranteed. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Please comment down below if you have any suggestion. See you till the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.